What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja back with another amazing money making video. Today we'll be talking about an amazing website called Glideapps, and this will help you make money online. Before we jump into the video, I do invite you to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share this video with everyone you know. Now, if you've never heard of them, that's okay. There was a point where I never heard of them. But on this channel, what I do is bring the juicy stuff to you so that you don't have to guess or spell anything. Okay? This company is called Glide, and it will help you make money by creating apps. Now, if you are an avid techie or not, it doesn't matter, because Glide allows you to make app creation very simple and easy to do. Okay, now all these companies have made apps with Glide. Uber, everybody knows Uber. NASA, the world knows NASA. Heck, the entire galaxy probably knows NASA by now. Costco, Zoom, Grubhub, Whirlpool, washing machines and stuff. They're all using Glide. Okay, now if you want to check things out for a bit, you can actually explore some templates. Okay, you can get a delivery app for your team. So if, let's say, you're in New York, and New York is very well known for these bicycle messengers, for example, and maybe you could create a team of bicycle delivery men, and you could have a delivery app for the team. Okay, just as an example, just stretching your imagination for a bit. These apps are, this one is a field sales app, this one is an inventory app. Let's look at that, because a lot of people, especially if you're doing retail arbitrage or drop shipping, not drop shipping but retail arbitrage, because on here we talk about people building their own businesses and making money online. So let's say you went to Walmart and you ordered X number of items. You can keep track of whatever you bought, whatever inventory you have, with an inventory app. Okay, there you go. You can get an inventory app already done for you. Right now, there's a cool video here that you can watch that explains simply how these apps work, that you can check out in your own time. There's a property management app, and you can explore a whole range of templates that you can choose from. Okay, so you don't use code, and that's what makes this so neat. You don't use coding, you don't use any technical jargon, you don't use Java or any C++, nothing, none of that. You don't do any of that. What you do is you create your apps visually. Okay, now it didn't say that it uses a flowchart or anything like that, but if you have knowledge of flowcharts, that would be good. But if you simply know what you want your app to do, then you can visually put your app together, watch it run, test it, and then just take it from there. Okay, so it's easy, it's simple, it's an app that any average person can make. And with the advent of the next big thing, everybody's trying to be the next big thing. They've made it easy for anyone to be able to jump on here and create apps. Even if you don't want to sell the app and you want to just fidget around and make something for yourself, you probably have a little issue in your house. Maybe you're a housewife and you want an app that tracks something, or an app that does something for you. Okay, you can build your app. Right? So they're based on spreadsheets, so your app and your Google Sheets stay in sync. They're a snap to build, drag and drop components like maps, signature pad, and file uploader. They look great. Glide's professionally designed layouts adapt to each platform. They work everywhere. Use them instantly in a browser, iOS, Android, tablets, and desktops. They're always up to date. They automatically update with speed, security, and design improvements. They're private and secure. Use passwords, email login, and role owners to control access. You can build them together. Invite your team to collaborate on your own library of apps. They're uniquely yours. Add a custom domain and branding to make your app unique. Okay, so you're probably wondering, okay, great, so I can build apps and I can sell apps if I want to. I can build apps for personal use. I'm not a big company. I'm just I was hired to be an inventory manager, and I want to take the bull by the horn and build something for myself to help me track stuff that I have around my office. Well, let's look at some pricing. It's free. It's free. Okay, if you are creating personal apps, then it is free to you to get started. You'll have a mobile layout, you'll have 500 data rows, you'll have 1,000 sheet updates, public sign-in, anyone can sign in using their email address, 10% transaction fee, Glide branding, so you'll see the Glide logo on your app if you don't mind, because I mean it's a personal app, 100 megabyte file storage, and you'll get a Glideapp.io domain. You'll get 10 pins per map, 10 signatures, 100 Zapier actions. Okay, and that's it. Now for the other ones, the most popular one is the Pro version. Alright, and when you look at what it offers, you'll probably see why. Now you'll get, oh, and by the way, this is a what do you call it? It's like signing up for a, like you'd have Netflix. What do you call it when you have a? It's like you have an account that you pay a monthly, a subscription. Oh my goodness, why did I just forget that? Honestly, at the time of this recording, it's 1:32 a.m. Maybe that's why, but it slipped me. But speaking of subscriptions, hit the subscribe button if you find this information valuable. Let me know if you've always wanted to build apps. Let me know what kind of apps you're into. And let me know if this video has helped you to realize your dreams of building your own app. Now, Pro, $32 per month. Now, $32 per month, while you're making thousands per month from your app, chicken feed, right? Chump change. What do you get? You get mobile, tablet, and desktop layouts. The free version is just for mobile. You get 25,000 data rows, unlimited sheet updates, public sign-in. Anyone can sign in using their email address. Anyone. 2% transaction fee. So every time a person purchases your app or does any transactions within the app, there's a 2% fee as compared to a 10% transaction fee collected by Glide. 10 gigabyte file storage, custom domain, so you don't need to have the glideapp.io domain. Google Analytics, you can upload files up to 1 gig in size. Background sheet reloads, 1,000 pins per map, unlimited signatures, unlimited Zapier actions, and Google Workspace shared devices. Now, the other two are similar. The Private Pro app is $40 per month plus $2 extra per user. So if you want different users to have admin privileges and stuff, then you can sign them up for an additional $2. Now you get everything in Pro plus 20 private users. Okay. Everything in Pro plus 20 private users included. You get private sign-in. Only people you allow can sign in. Limit access by email. So only users with email addresses on an approved email list can sign in. So let's say you are an affiliate marketer or a marketer and you have built up an email list for yourself. You can extend the invitation to your list to use your app, and you can do it in a way, well, not you can't, what I'm saying is the app only allows people that you allow access to get to the app to be able to use the app. And so You can limit access by email, and only users with email addresses on an approved email list can sign in. If you have an approved list from your marketing endeavors and you've had, say, a few thousand people on an email list, you can allow those people to be whitelisted, meaning they have access to your app by entering their email and logging in. Alright? So you get professional standards, professional range of products and tools, but it's limited to a private list of people. And then for enterprise, as you can see, you will need to contact them. And I guess based on how big your enterprise is, you'll work out a special rate. Alright, so that's Glide, the tech friendly, the tech noob version of app creation software. You can read your frequently asked questions here. How do I purchase Glide as a reseller? I bought a pro subscription before September 1st. How does the latest pricing affect me? What's a transaction fee? That's a good question to ask. Let's figure out what it is. You can use the buy button component to sell things within your app. The transaction fee is the fee that Glide keeps on in-app transactions. This fee does not include Stripe's processing fee. So if you're selling something through the app, Glide will charge you a percentage in addition to any payment processing user you may use, whether it be Stripe. There are a bunch of others that a lot of people use, especially depending on what region you're in. I don't even remember that half the names of the ones I've seen. When I've done drop shipping using Shopify, I saw a ton of them. There's Google Pay, Apple Pay, and so many people. So your transaction fee is what the company charges you to process the payments. Alright? Shopify Pay, all these, yeah. Alright? So that's Glide. And here's the kicker. I've been sharing with you ninjas repeatedly that even though I might give you a lead to something, you need to take a very assertive approach in getting yours. You want money. You're looking for money. Okay? If you can see a way to earn more money, get another way of earning money, like getting another job through a lead. Or here's an example. These prices were the monthly prices, okay? If you switch to yearly, you'll see that the prices change. So what used to be $30 here for the Pro, or $32, drops to $24 per month if you pay for the year up front. The Private Pro, which was $40, drops to $30. And it's $1.50 per extra user. And I don't know how that affects the enterprise option, because they say you need to contact them to get rates. But that's how you could save money for the year. Another way to make money here, check the job section. And I actually looked through this and I saw about 4 or 5 jobs that were ready to go. Okay? So, work at Glide. Open positions. Growth marketer, full-time, remote. You see that? You see that? That's what I'm talking about. This is a remote position. You can work wherever in the world. Okay? You can apply by hitting this button. So a growth marketer, I'm not sure if that is a part of HR or a special team of people to themselves. And of course, when you can come to this website, you can actually read through this. I'm really happy I came here because I know that this will help a lot of you. So this is a marketing-based role that I actually looked through these, but I didn't look through each individual job. And the responsibilities for this one, you'll be responsible for social media strategy, so it has nothing to do with HR, as I mentioned before. I saw the jobs, but I didn't read through them individually. So let's go through them real quick, or this one real quick. You'll be responsible for newsletters and product announcements, major product launch planning, template store and SEO, marketing site, So you'll be working on this actual site. Paid user acquisition, so maybe you'll be running ads to acquire leads and users and conferences and meetups. Okay. You can watch this video to see what your role will be about, but quickly you'll be, all these jobs are remote, just so you know. Okay. A growth PM, and I'm assuming it's a project manager. So you should have project management experience. You will drive feature development to run growth experiments. So you should have experience driving product development. You should be able to assemble wireframes in Figma using the component library provided by our design team. You should have great writing skills so that you can be self-sufficient when creating landing pages and product experiments that include customer-facing copy, and so on and so forth. This one is full-time. Okay. And they didn't mention salary. They have not mentioned salary. However, senior QA engineer is the next. Researcher in residence, which is a contractor position, so you will be, in a sense, either working on jobs or working for specific time periods throughout the year. So maybe they'll do it, hey, we needed to do this job, and once the job is done, you'll get paid. Or it could be, we needed to work a certain job, but the job will last 3 months. And then you might not work for 2 months, and maybe you work another 4 months on another job. Hey, who knows? And mystery flavor, all these jobs are remote. And my assumption is they're remote, but they might prefer people living in the US. But it says remote, so we'll see. So if you're in the US or Canada or anywhere near that area, preferably US, check these out. Now, Glide is looking for talented, kind, optimistic people to help us accomplish our mission to create the next billion software developers. We know how messy and difficult software development is, and we have some ideas about a better way. A way that's simple but not simplistic, easy but not boring, and powerful but still fun. Come help us build it. Even if you don't see the ideal open role for you, we encourage you to apply if you think you can help us achieve our mission. So, check these things out. So if you are someone who wants to build apps, build them for free from home. You don't need to be a techie. Sell these apps from home. You don't need to be a techie. And if you're looking for work, they are hiring, and there are full-time positions, remote positions at that are available. So guys, check it out. If you like the content I've shared, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share it with everyone you know. Let me know what you think about these leads. Let me know what you think about the website and the apps. Just let me know. So guys, thanks so much for your viewership. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.